Hello guys, it's a cold day today, but we have one more project for the Hummer. So I just got this in the mail, got it from eBay, and it's a cover for the brake pedal. That's a common wear item considering the weight of this vehicle. So it's good to have that friction pad on there, which is made of rubber. This is a genuine GM part. You can see the package looks a little bit older, and it's made in China, mainland. A little bit of politics going on there. There's two Chinas. There's the People's Republic of China, which is the China that we know, and then you have the Republic of China, which is Taiwan. And when they use the term mainland China, that is the People's Republic of China, excluding the territories of Macau and Hong Kong. So for a vehicle like the Hummer, which is with globally sourced parts, that's a political statement, just to mention and specify that this part actually was made in the People's Republic of China, which is mainland China. So the wider part goes to the top and the smaller part to the bottom. I also had this worm in here, so hopefully that fits without too much of a fight. It's quite cold outside, so if I struggle, that might be because the rubber has hardened. All right, I'll struggle and try to get it on. Let me stop for a moment here. And there we go, everything is in place. Looks really nice. I love it. Do excuse all the dirt that I have in there. As soon as it warms up here really good, I'll have the vehicle detailed. But yeah, that's an easy mod to update the look of the interior of your Hummer H2. Thanks for watching.